my name's Grace.
Hi, I'm Trisha.
And we're first years living in
Carman
Hall. Woo! So we're gonna show you around today and show you why it's the best first year housing option at Columbia. Okay, so here we're entering the building. Security is very important at Carman Hall. This is Mike, the best security guard.
Hi, I am the best.
He even has a SoundCloud, so check that out. Chilling in the elevator right now. Carman elevators are truly one of a kind. There was a pretzel hanging up here for like 3 days at one time. Yeah, wild. Alright, so here we are on floor 12 of Carman Hall. And this floor just got renovated this year. It's like a hotel. And here, look at this beautiful view of campus you have. Truly stunning. And then we go over to the lounge. And you can just see how nice it is. People watch TV. We had a Wii at one point, but I think then that broke the TV, so that was an issue, but now we have a new TV. It's whatever. And it's just really a great place to hang out with friends. I'm surprised no one's in here right now, actually.
Oh, so beautiful.
And now I'm gonna take you to my room. Fancy electronic key swiper thing. And here we are, the Room of Grace.
Wow.
Truly iconic.
Oh my god, so pretty. It really is.
So I live in Carman with my roommate Katie. This is her half of the room. And we also have an amazing view. City skyline. You can see all the way downtown from here. I like to look out of it a lot.
Oh my god, this is gorgeous.
Really lucked out this year. Well, I shouldn't say lucked out because every room on Carman is amazing, but you definitely get a good view from the top.
Especially at sunset like this.
I want to show off my decorating skills personally. I've got all these pictures of all my friends back home in Iowa, and also there's one of Trisha that doesn't really match the theme, but it's whatever.
Where's mine?
Right. Oh shoot, well it's somewhere, I
Grace,
swear.
how could you? I'm kidding.
Tragic. And then we have my Vampire Weekend poster because Vampire Weekend are actually all alumni of Columbia, and that was actually kind of a factor in me choosing to come here. They're my favorite band. So here we have a close-up of my desk. As you can see, we have all the Lit Hum books and whatnot because here at Columbia we love to read. Fidget spinner. True story, everybody at Carman got Columbia themed fidget spinners besides me, apparently. So I don't know what happened. I think someone stole mine. It's whatever. I tried going with like the marble theme, that's big this year. And here we have more pictures. Fun fact, I actually went with Ezra Koenig, lead singer of Vampire Weekend, to prom. Crazy, right? Yeah, he was looking a little pale in that picture. And we also apparently went to the Wild West back in the day. So, there's that. And also we have Rory over here, which is Columbia's very beloved mascot and a random cow. I mean, I'm from Iowa, so that's why. But Rory is decorated with the TLC button, which is where I work, the tutoring center. And we want Bama because the football team did amazing this year, so we like to joke that we wanted to play Alabama. But in reality, yeah, that wouldn't have gone well. But yeah,
we would have won.
Yeah, go Lions. That is Grace's desk. I don't know why I felt the need to show you all that. Yeah, really, I guess that's about it. Carman is just the perfect space. You can study in here, but it's also a great place to socialize with the huge lounge and the fact that we live in suites. So I have 2 more people that live right next door, and then we all share a bathroom. Yeah, and my room is like slightly messy. I don't know if you could tell all the food down there. I have a 2-pound bag of Lucky Charms marshmallows, so that's real move right there. But life of a college student, freshman 15 is real. But yeah, this is our room, and now we're gonna go to Trish's room to show you what an unrenovated room looks like in Carman.
What I really love about Carman is how we can drink tea in the elevators and no one says anything.
Welcome to floor 9.
Woo!
It's the best floor.
So this is how the plebs live, but kidding. All of Carman is wonderful.
Our floor is not renovated yet, but it's
But
a
we
great
still
place to
love
live.
it. I just got back from Ferris and I brought myself a plate of strawberries.
It's a good thing about Carman, you're right next to Ferris, so you can bring back food whenever you want.
Yes, Ferris is one of our 3 dining halls on campus. Columbia Dining really does the most. Got a plug for them.
This is our room. The RAs always decorate the door,
Oh yes.
and our door is always open because,
We're a loving family.
and also like Columbia is so secure. We've never had anything stolen, and our door is open 24/7.
Come on in. Columbia provides free toilet paper.
Yes, which
Unlimited.
means I never buy Kleenexes. So.
This is our room.
Oh, beautiful. That's a nice, good shot.
You.
And if you go to the window and check out the view,
Yeah, go ahead.
it's gorgeous. I'll show
Let me
you
turn
outside.
off the lights. Yeah, that's the Empire State Building. That is the tallest residential building in Manhattan. Yeah, it's really amazing.
Beautiful. And we also have frat row right here. And the wardrobe, look at how spacious that is. So
Yeah,
much
do you want
built-in
a closet
storage.
tour? Okay, so
Closet tour, okay.
basically each of us has a full-sized, almost walk-in closet.
So nice.
Clothes,
Shelves above,
dishes.
drawers
Wow.
below.
There's a whole shoe drawer. Oh. And then
Yikes.
each of us has 3 drawers to ourselves. So
And
That is crazy.
A
You
sliding
definitely don't get
mirror.
that on the renovated
look
side.
at that.
Selfie.
Amazing.
So really, you can't go wrong in Carman, whether you're on one of the new floors or the old floors, because they each have their own strengths and
Yeah.
weaknesses. But
exactly. Like first when I saw the renovated floors, I was like, oh, I wish I lived here. But then I got my room here, and we love it so much, and we're already sad to leave Carman.
I know,
Room
I'm
909.
honestly jealous. Hold up, wait, because I'm actually gonna live here next year, so as an RA, I didn't like fail a bunch of classes. I'm gonna be a perpetual first year, but I will be living on floor 6, so I get to experience a room like this next year. So excited. Trash removal. Also, you're looking at the trash right now,
So
so
we're about to remove it. Trash removal is really easy here because there's trash bins on every floor, and so you don't have to take it outside or anything. And Columbia is really good about recycling, so we have a paper and cardboard recycling, a trash, and then a plastic recycling. And then Anna and I decided to make our own compost little bag, and there's a beautiful green market outside.
and that's
On Thursdays.
Columbia ingenuity for you right there.
Exactly.
This is
Yep.
the face of the future of eco-friendly. I don't know where I'm going with that, but begin. And now we are going to show the amenities of Carman Hall. Excuse the lactate, we just went to the dining hall. But, and Carman also has a living wall, which is super cool. It's really a one of a kind. It leaks all the time, but still very, very aesthetic, very good for the environment, I think. And there's also even a whiteboard, so people come down here all the time just to study or chill. we have a kitchen too.
No way.
Trisha and I keep saying we're gonna bake banana bread down here, but it hasn't happened.
It's gonna happen someday.
Oh, hey, Mike. So yeah, this is the Carman kitchen. So if you ever want to cook, we even have pots and pans that are available to rent on the main floor with the guy the hall director. His name's Aaron. He's super cool. He's gonna be my boss next year, so love you, Aaron. But so yeah, you can even rent out pots and pans and really anything you need. And so living in Carman definitely means, even though you're gonna be on the meal plan anyways, you still have the freedom to cook whatever you'd like.
Yeah, and there's a microwave, boilers, an oven for baking. Really anything you'd need is right here. So,
It's great.
Yeah.
And so now we're going to show you the gym, which is part of the reason I chose Carman, because I figured I either would live in a place with a dining hall in the basement and gain the freshman 15. Okay, well, I gained it anyway. Or I could live in a building with a gym in the basement and never have to go out in the cold to exercise. So here we have it. Yeah, it's just like 4 treadmills, 2 ellipticals, gym. But I go down here all the time, actually. Anytime I'm
There's a nice TV to keep you entertained while you're working out.
Yeah, actually, one time I was on the elliptical, that rom-com with like Meryl Streep and like Steve Martin was on the TV, so I ended up going on the elliptical for like literally 2 hours just because I wanted to see how the movie ended. That's a pro tip right there for exercise.
In case you're a musician, this room
yeah.
is currently locked, but it has
Yeah, I always
pianos
hear
and
like
amps.
saxophones coming out of there, but I've never been. I do play the tuba, but I'm not good. So, and finally we have the laundry room, and that's such a perk of Columbia, is you can do laundry for free. We don't take any coins or anything. So, all these washers, all these dryers for free. I do my laundry all the time. Tide Pods, way to go. Just a pro tip for next year, super easy. Just whatever you do, if you're drying your comforter, don't put it on high in one of these dryers, because then it's gonna get all burnt, and then you're gonna have a crispy, orange, weird comforter like I do now, but that's okay.
Okay, so now I'm off to a spec meeting. Sadly, I have to leave Carman.
This is the end of our tour, and whenever you leave Carman, you just want to come right back.
Exactly. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope you live here next year. Woo!
Tragic.
Okay. Welcome to room 9.
Oh, okay,
Okay,
we're still filming.
still doing what?
We're still filming the tour.
Oh.
And you're on camera right now.
I am? You're not filming my best side. I'm gonna have to call my lawyer in.
Oh gosh.
No, that's okay. Go ahead, ladies.
Okay, thank you. How's your dinner?
What's left of it? Send me in my stomach there.
Ah, amazing.
Emily.
It's very important.
Okay,
It's
that's
all over the world. Join in. Support your local security.